Guys, we need a new open for the Dragon News.
I have an idea.
Debbie just hit record. She's filming in the hallway. Tripod's kinda sideways, but she says it's cinematic. Used to just scroll TikTok. Now she's stacking B-roll shots. Cutting clips in Premiere Pro at the Innovation Center lot. Her project's due by Friday. The mic was off all day. She swears she'll fix the audio and post. Yeah, okay. Where's my SD card? I swear I had it right here. My footage disappeared. It's been like half the year. Still exporting. Premiere crashed again. Welcome to TDN. We'll do it all again. They're filming PSAs and laughing through each take. Boom mics in the frame, but that's the art we make. They're yelling quiet on set, like pros on Channel 9. They'll edit it tomorrow, or maybe never mind. Mr. K walks in the scene, broadcast gold, you know what I mean. He says good day to have a good day, then sips his coffee like a meme motif. Where's my SD card? I swear I had it right here. My footage disappeared. It's been like half the year. Still exporting. Premiere crashed again. Welcome to TDN. We'll do it all again. Yeah. Canva, Express, Adobe Dreams, we Vita, oh, with laggy screens. Render, hit repeat. Deadlines close, no time to eat. Where's my SD card? I swear I had it right here. My footage disappeared. It's been like half the year. Still exporting. We'll fix it in post, my friend. Welcome to TDN. We'll do it all again.
Up with Hamilton Terror.
I'm a lieutenant.
Too close to call you guys.
What's that? We can make our first
I feel like you're getting nervous.
This is media class. The chaos never ends.
From New Jersey's award-winning middle school news team, this is Dragon News. Now reporting, Chief News Anchors David Arrington and Kylan Roberts.
Hi, I'm Kylan. And I'm David. And we're broadcasting from the Innovation Center at William Davies Middle School. We begin with our top story. It's almost time for the scariest event of the Halloween season, and it's happening right here at William Davies Middle School. Get ready for Hamilton Hallways of Horror.
For one night only, the entire Davies School will be transformed into a terrifying haunted house filled with ghosts, goblins, and the scariest one of them all, Mr. Levine.
Okay, maybe he's not that scary, but he's the one leading the project. Mr. Levine and his team has been working hard to make sure this event is a spooky success.
So mark your calendars, Saturday, October 25th, from 6 to 10 p.m. right here at Davies. Tickets are just $10 and will be sold at the door.
Prepare for a night of creepy creatures, jump scares, and haunted hallways you'll never forget. This is definitely not your average school night. Don't do it, bro. It's not worth it, bro. Just don't do it.
But I have to.
Alright, fine. Just do it.
I heard Mr. K is going to be there, but they didn't ask him to wear a costume.
Why?
They said he's too scary without a mask.
Alright, bro. You're done. You're done. Our Hamilton Township gifted and talented students, along with their families, kicked off the new school year with food, games, and plenty of fun. The Gifted and Talented program is designed for students who show exceptional skills in thinking, creativity, and problem solving. These students take on challenging projects and activities that help them think outside the box and learn in new, exciting ways.
A big shout out to our amazing gifted and talented teachers, Miss Petty at Hess and Miss Rivera at Davies, for organizing such a great celebration to start the school year off strong.
The William Davies Middle School has decided who will be leading the student body for the next 170 days. Student council elections have wrapped up, and the Dragon Network can now safely project that Lily Angela has been elected as the new president of William Davies Middle School. Camilla Ney is also projected as the winner of vice presidency.
While there were multiple positions up for grabs in the last student council election, another big highlight was the selection of our new student board representatives, Angelina DeSico and Vienna Orlandini, were chosen to represent the student body at the Hamilton Township Board of Education meetings.
A special thank you to Miss Marshall and Mr. Kramer for leading another successful student council election. Students in Mr. Summershoe's science class experimented with building plant cell models. Using materials like cotton balls, foam, and craft supplies, students created colorful 3D models that showed each part of a plant cell.
They labeled important parts like the nucleus, chloroplast, and cell wall to better understand how each one functions. It was a hands-on way to learn about science and a fun chance to show off their creativity in the classroom.
Mr. Elysiak works so hard to put our athletics program together. He works day and night to make sure that everything runs smoothly for our sports teams and coaches. Colton Zito is at the Bow Mountain Sports Desk with more.
Hi, I'm Colton Zito at the Bow Mountain Sports Desk. The 3-3 Washington Commanders are taking on the 2-3-1 Dallas Cowboys on October 19th. This is a huge divisional matchup. If the Cowboys lose, this could be it for their playoff hopes. Meanwhile, the 4-2 Philadelphia Eagles will face the 3-2 Minnesota Vikings. If the Eagles lose, it would be a devastating third straight loss for Philly. On the local side of sports, the Oak Crest football team lost to Pleasantville 42-0 on October 3rd, making their record 2-5. Coming up, there's a girls' soccer game on October 20th against Atlantic City here at William Davies Middle School. And on October 23rd, the boys' soccer team will play against Fernwood Avenue at Fernwood Avenue Middle School. I'm Colton Zito, and you're watching the Dragon Student News.
It's Hispanic Heritage Month, and we're celebrating in a big way. Students and staff has been decorating classroom doors, sharing fun facts during morning announcements, and learning about influential Hispanic leaders who have made a difference throughout history.
Later this month, the Dragon Network will feature a special story dedicated entirely to Hispanic Heritage Month. But for now, here's a little sneak peek from our amazing choir led by Mr. Stokes.
De colores se vistan los campos en la primavera. De colores son los pajaritos que vienen de fuera. De colores es el arco iris que vemos lucir. Y por eso los grandes amores de muchos colores me gustan a mí. Y por eso los grandes amores de muchos colores me gustan a mí.
And that's the news.
I'm Kylan.
And I'm David. See you soon.
Now, where was your... See you soon. Who's seeing you soon? The dust on the ceiling?
See you
Stop.
soon.
You sound like a pelican. I can't deal with questions.
Bro.
And that's the news.
I'm Kylan.
And I'm David. See you soon.